Hi everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm excited to share with you all the new features and improvements that have been made to Bard. Today, I'm going to talk about three main things. 1. The new capabilities that Bard has learned. 2. The improvements that have been made to Bard's performance. 3. The new ways that you can interact with Bard. I chose this topic because it's essential for people to know about the latest updates to Bard. Bard is constantly learning and improving, and I want to make sure that everyone knows the new things that Bard can do. Before I get into the details of the update, I want to give you a brief introduction to Bard. Bard is a large language model, also known as a conversational AI or chatbot, trained to be informative and comprehensive. It is trained on a massive amount of text data and can communicate and generate human-like text in response to a wide range of prompts and questions. For example, it can provide summaries of factual topics or create stories. Now, let's talk about the new features and improvements to Bard. New capabilities. Bard has learned a number of new capabilities, including the ability to translate languages more accurately, the ability to write creative content, such as poems, code, scripts, musical pieces, emails, and letters, the ability to answer your questions more comprehensively and informally, even if they are open-ended, challenging, or strange. Improved performance. Bard's performance has also been improved in a number of ways, including Bard is now able to process information more quickly. Bard is now able to generate more accurate and consistent text. Bard is now able to understand better and respond to your requests. New ways to interact with Bard. There are also a number of new ways that you can interact with Bard, including you can now use Bard's API to integrate Bard into your applications. You can now ask Bard questions using voice commands. You can now use Bard to create custom chatbots. I hope you enjoyed this video about today's Bard update. Bard is a powerful tool that is constantly learning and improving. I'm excited to see what Bard can do in the future. Thank you for watching.